Hi, I'm Sebastian, back with another video, and this is what to do with your dog on a rainy day. So, the materials you need are peanut butter, a dog toy with a hole in it, and a knife. So, this is how it's gonna work. You put some peanut butter in. I am only gonna do one. You shove it anywhere down there, maybe put some around, and then, wanna look at here? Okay, so this is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna hide this somewhere without my dog seeing, hide it and see if he could sniff it out and he'll maybe find it. So I'll just let him lick this knife while I go hide it. Okay, come over this way. Oof, we gotta keep my dog distracted. Come here. Ready, you want some more? His name is Ryder. Here, no, hey, not yet, right here. Okay, let's go over here quick. No, stay. I'm gonna hide it over here. Come here. See if he can find it. Come back over here, come on. Okay, Ryder, you done? You done? Okay, where's it? Where's the ball? No, okay, you're all done with this. All done. Where's the ball? Where's the ball? Can you come sniff it out? Where's the ball? No more.
Put the knife somewhere.
No more. Okay, you wanna lick the little bits? Okay. Lick it. Okay, now where's the ball? Come on, you gotta sniff it out. Yeah, I'll be right back. Play with him for a little bit.
Hey, buddy. Coming with you.
Oh, okay, I'm back. Where's it? Nope, no more. Where's it? Do you smell it? Come on. Oh, I think he smells something. No, Ryder, where's it? Oh, yes, he found it. Okay, Ryder, let's come over here. Come on, boy. Come on, Ryder. Get it over here. Okay, and that is how to teach you give a dog a treat on a rainy day. Good boy, Ryder. Say goodbye. Come on. No? Okay.